Hey YouTube, it's Scuba here, and today I'll be building the Rubik's Cube Mosaic. If you haven't already seen me unbox these 960 Rubik's Cubes, there'll be a link for that in the description. Before we get started, here are a few pictures of the process of building the frame for the Mosaic. The wood together costs somewhere around $60, but the plexiglass sliding door, which will be delivered later, cost about $140. The way I'm building this is through a website called Twist the Web, which pixelates any picture you want into any number of pixels and sorts the pixels into the 6 main colors of the Rubik's Cube. Through that, you can probably guess the rest. Well, if you're wondering what the picture's going to be, I guess you'll just have to wait and see. They're great. So here we have the final product, guys. As you can probably tell, it's a picture of me. Just kidding, it's a picture of Arnold Schwarzenegger with my head pasted on it. I realize it's kind of an expensive joke, but if I ever want to change it, I know I can spend 18 hours doing so. To address how long it took me to make this video, I'm sorry guys, I had a baseball injury in February. And I just kind of had to reevaluate my priorities. But anyways, here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.